Okay, so what you guys heard, I just woke up. My upstairs neighbor walked into the area above me and started dropping stuff on the floor. Okay, hopefully you could definitely hear that from the video. And they're knocking. So I started recording. Okay. So now that they know I'm recording, they stop dropping the stuff on the floor and you can hear footsteps walking away. Okay. So like I said, when I woke up this morning, there was no sirens, nothing like that. And I just got up not too long ago. It was after 11:30. Okay. There was no sirens or anything like that. It's 11:45 right now. Okay. And you can hear the footsteps. They walking back and forth. But they stopped dropping stuff on the floor. All to engage in noise campaign. Another part of the psychological tactic. Okay. You're right above my head. Walking back and forth now. You can hear the footsteps. Like I said, when you expose them, right, in what they're doing, particularly with the noise campaign, they will find they always have other ways to target you. Okay? And so this is what they do. My upstairs neighbor. All the time. If I'm trying to study at night, forget it. Noise. Dropping stuff loud. I want you guys to understand how sick these people are. Right? And you have to be sick in order to do this to someone. And the fact that you think that it's okay to do this to someone. That's not a normal behavior. But they want to label us as TIs as crazy. They're the one that's insane.